I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic, today we are going to do reading section. It's a section 3, question number 21 to 27. The topic is maternity benefits. How you have to solve these questions. Generally these type of question follow the order. Means first question answer will be here only, second here, third here, like this, so on. Okay. Now come back to the topic. Let's check the questions. Title, answer the questions following. Okay, these we have to follow. Given here 21 to 27. If you are writing CBT test, write on the computer, or else if you are doing PBT, paper based test, then write on answer sheet. Choose no more than 2 words or a number. Means here we can write 2 words or a number. Either we can write 1 word, 1 number, 2 words, 1 number, okay? But not more than 3 words. 3 words, 1 number, no, like that. 2 words and number, that's it. You can write 1 word also, okay? According to the answer you have to write, but no more, there should be no exceeding of words beyond 2. See, look at the question number 21. What is the minimum period you must have worked for an employer in order to be eligible for SMP? So this is this is kind of a program for maternity people, the ladies who are pregnant. For those, this is a program. अभी यहाँ पे क्या पूछा जा रहा है कि मिनिमम पीरियड कितना काम करना चाहिए, कितना कैसा भी काम करना चाहिए जिसको जो एलिजिबल होता है SMP के लिए. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज SMP. Statutory maternity pay. Okay, in IELTS reading you did not need to understand each and everything word, okay, and don't use your knowledge also. अपना पर्सनल IQ मत यूज़ करिए, जो आपको यहाँ पे दिया गया है पैसेज में बस वही बोलना है. You may be, and you have to skim and scan very fast, so practice reading very well. If you are expecting a baby, there are a number of benefit schemes you could help you to financially. However, eligibility differ from each and individual schemes. Means here they have some schemes, those who are pregnant, for them to support financially, okay. So first scheme is SMP, statutory maternity pay. What is statutory maternity pay? You may be entitled to statutory maternity pay for your employer. This is a weekly payment, so this is weekly payment, so you make easier to take time off both before and after the birth of your baby. SMP can be paid up to 39 weeks. Okay. So what was the question? SMP program आपको सिर्फ 39 weeks तक पे कर सकता, but what is the program they have? Minimum, that is maximum. 39 is maximum. You are entitled to SMP if you have been employed by the same company for at least 26 weeks. Yes. So this scheme is eligible if you have entitled, means you worked. Concentrate or paraphrase the synonym. Entitled to SMP if you have been employed by the same company for at least 26 weeks. Okay. The minimum period is 26 weeks. So we got our answer. 26. Here are 2 numbers and word, so we can write number and a word, okay, no problem. While you are writing your reading or listening, write with the uppercase only, use uppercase letters so that it won't be any issue. Now come towards the second one. For how long is SMP payable every week as percentage? Okay, as percentage for your average weekly earnings. So our keyword will be percentage average weekly earnings, okay. So we got our answer here, no, like 26 or 26 or what, 26 we have finished over here. Yes, by the end of 15th week before your baby is due, you must also have earning at the average least 87. Okay, this is dollar, this is amount, not a percentage. The amount you get depends how much you earn for 6 weeks. You will receive 90% of your average weekly earning. Okay, see here, for 6 weeks you will receive 90 percentage is there, average weekly earning is also there, so our answer is 6 weeks. You can write 6 or else SI is 6, not an issue. 6 weeks. Or else, however, write in question you have 6, no? Right. See, in the passage it's written SIX. 6, no, not a problem, nothing. Okay, 6 weeks. Done. So come back to 23rd one. What sum is payable every week as the second part of SMP is entitlement? Means every week. Sum means total. Okay, sum is payable every week as the second part of SMP. Second part means what? The remaining total amount. Sum means total amount you have to write. Okay, here we got our 22nd answer. No, from here we will start. For 6 weeks you will receive 90% of your weekly average earning. You will receive $112. This is euro sign per week for remaining 33 weeks. Means yes, second part. In the place of second part, what they have written? Remaining. Okay, first part you are getting this much, 87, or else you have 90%. Then after, what is the remaining earning? This one. This 23rd one is €112.75. So you have to write like this also. If point is there, means you have to write 0.75 also. This will coming under one word, one number. Now next one. See students, you have to be hurry in reading, but don't misguide yourself. In hurry you will make mistakes, so prepare your mind for that. Time management is very important in reading. If you want a detailed video on time management, please comment me, I'll do that. Okay, what is the maximum length of time MA is payable? Now this SMP passage is finished off, right? Now what next one? What is the maximum length time of MA is payable? Length of time for those maternity allowances available for those people who are self-employed, not eligible for this maternity allowances. You have been employed for 26 weeks. Before 66 weeks you don't have work, same employers for those who are 26 weeks. What has you may entitled to maternity allowance if you are self-employed for at least 26 weeks. In the 66 weeks before you are due to give birth, you don't have to work for the same employer for those 26 work. You also don't have to work full weeks. As a part week count as full week. During the same period, maternity allowance, yes, here we got our answer. See, maternity allowances can be paid for up to 39 weeks. What is the maximum length of time MA is payable? Means maximum length here you have given, can be paid for up means up to means maximum. Okay, don't confuse yourself. 39 weeks. Got it? Yes, 39 weeks. This 39 weeks, okay? Did you got this 39 weeks? No? See here, what is this question saying? The maximum length of time. Maximum length of time MA is payable. So maximum length of time is here. Maternity allowance. MA means maternity allowance can be paid up to means maximum 39 weeks. So here we have written our answer. Now the next one, 25th. Apart from where can MA forms be obtained? MA forms. Okay, 29 we got here, right? And either is paid at the same standard rate on SMP or 90% of average weekly earnings. You will receive whichever amount is the lower. Okay. You can find maternity allowance. Yes, you can find maternity allowance form at antenatal clinics throughout the country. So where we can find the forms? Antenatal. Be careful with the spelling. Okay. If you are doing computer now, computer based test, directly you can copy and paste. If you are doing paper based, be careful with the spellings and singular plurals also. Here it's written clinics, not clinic. Clinics. Antenatal clinics. Don't think that these are very simple spellings. No, how can we do spelling mistakes? But in the stress of test or in less time tension, you will do wrong things. 26th one. Apart from income, what else is considered when assessing how much child tax credit is paid? Means apart from income, what else is considered? Okay, child tax credit paid. Child tax credit. If you are on a low income over 16, the responsible of your at least one child, you may also be entitled to child tax. Okay, so these are the things given to an employer. Those who are like lower wages. The amount you will get depend on your personal circumstances. The amount you will get an income. Means how you are getting the amount, how the payment is paid. Assessing. Means apart from this income, what is considered? So these are considered things. What? Personal circumstances. The amount get you paid. Means these are apart from income, other expenditures for a newborn. Personal circumstances. Yes. One. What are your short start maternity payments? What are short starts? Okay, short starts. If you get the benefit of a child tax credit because you are in a low income, then you will maybe entitled to short start maternity payment. These are individual grants to help towards the cost. What is short ops? ये short start maternity payment कब start होता? These are individual grants. Means किसको किसको मिल रहा? हर एक person को मिल रहा है. Individual है ये. Grants. Grants will be your answer. So this all guys. I hope you like the video. If you haven't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel, share my videos to your friends and family, those who are struggling to get a good band score in IELTS, and follow my Instagram ID also, Hazrat Abassum IELTS. Take care. Have a nice day, students.